Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to give you another update on this Ryobi, however it's pronounced, the electric mower project that I've been working on. If you didn't see the first video, go back and watch that. I just kind of tell you guys what I'm doing, what the plan is, but in a nutshell, I am just replacing the OEM 48-volt batteries with Tesla modules. This thing should drive forever, and I'm hoping it might even have more power. So here we go. So this update is going to be a little bit different because it's so noisy in my garage right now with my Bitcoin miners I have going. I took a lot of video, but you're not able to hear me or anything. So I'm going to be rolling a bunch of video and narrating it along the way. So it's been a couple weeks since I started this. I've run into a couple snags, unfortunately. And right now at this point, I'm just waiting on parts, which is just the worst. I hate waiting on parts. I wish I could just have it now. So the first thing I did is I took off all 4 wheels and I took them over to Pete's Tire. It's a local shop and they're gonna add beet juice to them, which is a common thing you do with tractors, just to add that extra ballast weight, like a low center of gravity weight, because this might have more power, but also I've read on forums that these already are prone to flipping and kind of doing wheelies and stuff like that. So I wanted to prevent against that by loading the tire. So those are off getting beet juice installed. The other thing that I discovered, unfortunately, is that the guy I bought it from said it was only a year old, but it actually has a sticker on it that says it was made in 2017. And he also said that it was all fully operational, just the batteries weren't there, they weren't working, so he pulled them out. But unfortunately, the drive motor controller is dead. So I had to order another one of those. So the budget is already kind of broken at this point, unfortunately. But the good news is with the new drive motor controller, I will be able to program it however I want, and it has fully adjustable regen. So it sucks that I have to spend another couple $100 on that part, but it's gonna add some features and I'll be able to customize whatever I want to do with it. So that's pretty awesome at least. I'm also still waiting on the battery BMS. I haven't charged it or haven't tried that. I think charging is going to be fine. I hope to use the OEM charger that the Ryobi comes with. As long as I have a good BMS on there, it should be fine. Pretty much all of these parts, the drive motor controller, everything is probably about a week out. And my grass is getting pretty long, unfortunately. I really need to get this mowed. I wasn't anticipating this taking this long. I thought it'd probably just be a quick afternoon project, but unfortunately, it's going to take a little bit longer. Anyways, that was a lot of talking. Now I'm gonna roll some film of the battery box that I made. It is just out of wood. I didn't want to go too crazy with aluminum or anything. So it's just basically leftover wood I had around here in my garage. It'll be fine though. I'm not gonna burn the place down. I'm gonna be using a BMS. So save all those comments. This isn't gonna be one of the Rich Rebuilds rickshaw videos. Knock on wood, hopefully. It should be fine with the BMS. He didn't use a BMS in that build. In this video, I also show you guys a switch that I added so that the OEM dial, you can actually switch between hours, battery percentage remaining, and battery voltage. So that's pretty neat. It's just a simple push button switch, and I'll show you guys how to do that too. Well, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this helps some of you guys who maybe have bad batteries with your Ryobi. It's definitely not impossible. This is all actually quite easy. There shouldn't really be anything here that you can't do yourself. Obviously, you want to be careful with the batteries. Do it correctly. Use a BMS, but you should be fine. That's it for now, though. Just gotta wait for these parts to get in here. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.